Hi guys, welcome once again to Techly Things. Now today we're doing the pounds down and I'll be doing the Bulgarian split squat. Now what you see in my hands there, it is a medicine ball and it is 10 pounds. So just enjoy what you're seeing. If you're new to the program, just remember to subscribe, and if you want the latest videos, click the bell. Let's go. As you're looking at a sponge there that my right foot is resting on, it is because the edge of that stair is very sharp, and if I don't have that sponge there, then it will damage it.
Come on, stand up.
I hope you do enjoy watching this episode of the pounds down section of Techly Things. If you want to leave a comment or suggestion, you're free to do so. So on behalf of Techly Things, this is Duke Rick, and I'm saying peace out.